Alrighty. Am I live? I think I'm live. Cool. Is my audio good? I think my audio is good. Is my game running? My game is not running. npm run serve. Cool. Localhost. Alright, we're going to continue working on my confounding calendar entry. I have not done anything since last time, so slow progress, but we're going to get there. I was thinking I might actually start putting art in the game. I might do that as a next thing. I have a kind of very, very small mock-up of what I want the art to look like, which I did on Windows, so I need to find my Windows files. Where are they? Is that Windows? Yeah, that's not Windows. There's Windows. Documents and settings. Joseph Mansfield. Documents. Projects. Games. Confounding Calendar 2023. Art. Okay, let's open that. Do I have GIMP installed? I do not. Software. Search for GIMP. Okay. Install. This is my mock-up, but it's very zoomed out. Here we go. So I've got the color palette up at the top. These are the 8 colors, and then we're allowed 1 extra color on top of that. It's blurring it when I zoom in, but when I scroll around, it shows it as it's supposed to be. So I'm going with those 8 colors plus like an orange color. I think that looks cool. And here's my little character. It's basically based on the Magic Cube character, but different. And my thinking is to use orange only for things that, like the main character and the goal and this stuff, which I won't explain right now. Okay, that is installed. Let me open that in a different program. Okay. You're not going to open it? Why not? Come on. Open. Opening blah blah blah. Could not open. Permission denied. Okay, I'll copy it over to here. Okay, that just appeared in my files. Art.png. Open. Projects. Games. Confounding Calendar. Art. Okay. So what I really need to do, if I'm going to start, I think just to begin with, I'm just going to get the character in and then focus on something else. I just want something to look more interesting. So let's just make a sprite sheet. New. Sure, it can be 200 by 200. That's probably way too big, but whatever. Then I want transparent back. Oh, sorry, I should bring this onto the screen so we can do it live. Okay, background. How do I add alpha channel? Can I then delete this? I don't use GIMP very often. There we go. And if I go to my other one, also my character's not the. Is it 8 tall or is it 7? 7 tall, 6 wide. So I'm going to have to change my collision code to account for that. But that's fine. Do things bit by bit. Can I zoom in some more? Yep. Okay. You over here. So there. Get rid of this rubbish. They've got like emo hair. I was gonna go with something else entirely. I was trying to go for something else entirely, but then I was trying to go for something more plant-like. But I ended up drawing this and I was like, oh, this looks fun. Sure, I'll do this. I mean, okay, let's just start off with the one sprite for now. Export as... Games, yeah, okay. Spritesheet.png. Obviously I'll need like left and right, and they'll be slightly different from each other. But for now, just the one. Let's get the single sprite into the game. Okay, that's there, sprite sheet. Yep, with my little character in the corner. Alrighty, how to load this? Do I want to... There's a few ways of doing this. Do I just want to bundle it in? Webpack bundle images. Asset management. CSS images. So how I want to do things, new image, and then you say source is that. So I'll have to do some, I have to wait for that to load before I can use it. But sure, this will work fine. Why not? So Webpack. Module rules. Okay, I need to add this. What's that first one they got? Oh, that's for CSS. Don't need any CSS, it's fine. Is there really any good reason for me to do this? Why don't I just put the image? If all this is going to do is stick the image in the folder, is that what it does? I think it might. Yeah, and just makes it slightly easier to get the URL right. In which case, let's not bother with this. Let's just put the image in there. Rename this. Then in index, let's just do what this code's doing over here, which was new sprite sheet equals new image, sprite sheet source equals, so it'll be like just sprite sheet.png. Should we append it to the document the way that this has? So document append child, document body, is the document body? Document body, yeah. Document body, append child, sprite sheet. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's there. Okay, cool. However, I basically need to wait for this to load before starting the animation. This is basically like the loading bit. So JavaScript, wait for image to load. Let's see what this says. On load, but will it do that without it being added to the document? I sort of doubt it, but maybe. Loaded. Oh, it does. Okay. So basically, once that's loaded, we can start running the game. In fact, that can stay out here. And then we can just do this in there. So in theory, now if I actually I want to do that above, don't I? So that I can pass it in to stuff. What happens if you console log an image? Does it do anything fancy? Well, it does that, okay. But sure, I think it's working. Shall I just add that to the renderer when I create the renderer? Why not? Keep things simple. Renderer, you can have sprite sheet. Renderer, here you are. Renderer constructor takes a sprite sheet and just assigns it to this sprite sheet. Cool. Then when rendering, let's just, I mean, I could just replace, I mean, this should be pretty easy, right? Where's the bit where I draw the circle? Here. So this is where I draw the circle at the player's position. So instead of drawing a circle, I want to draw from an image. So this dot render context. Draw image, is that what it's called? Draw image. In fact, yeah, it is called that because I'm using it down there. Draw image, which has a lot of arguments. So it's the thing I want to draw, which is this screenshot. Sprite sheet. What order do these go in? It must be, oh yeah, from where in the sprite sheet do I want to draw? So 0088. And then where on the target, on the canvas do I want to draw? Which will be this -4. This -4. And then 88. This is not gonna work, right? Oh my god. It worked. Hey, look, my character's in the game. I love how quick it is to just do something like that. Let's change the background of the whole thing to be what my background is actually going to be, which is like, it's like a grey color. This one, A6BF, clear color. Cool. And then the background's going to be this. Sorry, the walls are going to be this, this, which is like almost black. I guess I want this clear color to be different, or I render. I mean, let's just do it like that. Background color. Yeah, let's do a clear color and a background color. Where the clear color is the wall color, and then clear canvas Clear canvas. Clear. Okay. So screen gets that one, this one gets background color. Okay. It would be nice if the character animated in some way, but hey, I've got a character in the game. That was quick. All right. How far do I want to go with doing this stuff? I mean, I should change the collisions. Is this going to break everything? Let's commit this, I guess. Where's my terminal? There it is. Render character sprites. Okay, so then my physics. Oh, this is gonna be terrible, right? Let's find out. So this is probing halfway through a tile. So I basically want halfway through a tile. I want it to be 0.3. Totally gonna break stuff by doing this. What does this return? Okay, this returns the position that it hit. Upwards can stay the same for now. Vertical collision, if that's still what I want. I mean, let's just see what happens if I do this. Oh gosh, didn't mean to save that. Okay. Oh gosh, yeah, I broke everything. As expected. I can like step into the wall, that feels wrong. Is my 0.3 wrong? So this is like the... Oh, hold on. Pro position X. Oh yeah, this is wrong. Hold on. Oops. Okay. Let's not do that. So horizontal probes are the thing I want to change, but only in the X direction. So this and this. In those directions, they should be like that. And the vertical probe, I do want to change again, only in the X direction. And this is returning a Y, but this is returning an X and this. I still think things are going to be broken. Yeah. This looks pretty much like it did before. Why am I doing 0.3? So 0.5 of a tile is that. And that would be 4 pixels. Oh yeah, okay, so that's wrong. Wait, half tile would be that. So it's 4/5 of that, basically. 4/5 of a half, so 0.4. It should be 0.4, yeah, okay. Yeah, no, wait, no, because it's 8 by 8, so it's 3/4. 3/4 of a half, which is... Uh, 3.75? Well, 0.375. It's great having all these numbers archived in. Maybe I should... Why did I set that to 0.4? Oh, I think I just changed that. 375. Okay, maybe at this point, no, I'll still go in the wall. Okay, there's clearly lots of other stuff I need to change. And these need to change. What are these again? So this is like book probe X minus dir Oh no, this is... Yeah, this is the position to move back to, basically. Ooh. Ooh. Let's keep that like that for now. Okay. Okay, so now I can like go against the wall, but it pushes me back to the middle. Okay. That's kind of expected. And how does pushing work right now? It might not work very well because I keep getting pushed away. Yeah, it's not going to work. Okay. So instead of... So I need to remind myself how this works. Well, let's start on this one first because it's easier. In fact, this is the only one I need to change. So, up probe X, that'll be something like... So up probe X will be like... Here. Minus dir. Minus dir. So they're opposite, going the opposite direction to that direction they're moving. Floor that and get to the middle. Okay, so what it's doing is it's finding the cell. This is the cell I'm in. And then going to the middle of that cell. But I don't want to go to the middle. I want to go to the edge. Depending on which direction I'm moving. Or which direction the collision's happening in. So if the collision's happening on the right hand side, I want to go to 1 minus 0.375. If it's on the left hand side, I want to go to just 0.375. So what's the maths for that? The maths for that is... well, I think the easiest way to think about it is that being on two sides of 0.5 using my whiteboard. So it's like plus 0.5 plus dir times 0.5, there's probably a way of simplifying this, there definitely is. 0.5 minus 0.375. Okay, I can stand next to the wall. Can I push stuff? I can. Okay, cool. Stand next to the wall. Are there any issues with this? That seems fine. That seems fine. All seems good. Something weird happened then. I think that's the leniency. Doing something weird. Yeah, shoving me to the middle. So there's more stuff that shoves me to the middle, which I need to fix. But other than that, that's looking okay. Okie dokie. I mean, I could have made this simple for myself and just made this character 8x8. But who wants things to be simple? So I need to look at the leniency calculations. So this is setting X. This is a leniency, so that's setting X. This is a leniency that's setting Y, and then there's another leniency that's setting X. Is that this? Yes. Huh. That's here. Sure. Let's just search for position to X. Places where it's set. Well, I can search for this then. There, there, there. Okay. Those are the 3 places. So this is going to be similar. It's going to be that. I'm just going to keep the code disgusting, who cares. What's dir in this case? So this only happens if there's no horizontal movement. So why am I setting X for this? This is when I'm like falling down a hole. Or going up through a thing. Oh dear. Okay, so basically if... Do I need leniency anymore if I'm thinner? Maybe not. Not really. I don't really need it, do I? Oh, well that goes all that code I wrote. Sure, okay. Guess I'm just killing off all that code. Maybe not for the horizontal leniency, but this doesn't set X. It sets it there, but that's fine. That's what I want it to set it to. There's also a collision here. That's fine. And then there was this. This is for jumping upwards. I don't think I need it anymore. Do not think I need this anymore. Oh. Ah, so that's not letting me jump. Why? That was weird. Why was I having trouble jumping there? Am I... Oh, maybe I do need leniency here, because, like, I guess it thinks I'm hitting that there. And there we go, yeah. I guess that's what's happening. So let's add that back in. However, the leniency is always going to put me in the middle, which is maybe okay. It should put me against the edge. That's easy enough to do. It's just going to be this plus so horizontal dir is going to be it's just which side of the 0.5 I'm on. So player position modulo 1 minus 0.5 and then get the sign of that. Lots of magic maths in here. Oh, get the sign of that, then ooh, I only want to do this if oh, hold on. Yeah, I don't always want to do this. If I fit, then it shouldn't happen. Oh, this is nice and awkward. I mean, let's just finish off doing what I was doing, which is going to be basically the same thing I did above. Where was that? Where was that? Here. but with that. So in theory, if I jump like here, it should put me against the wall. Maybe. That did put me against the wall. Okay, so now the issue is that it's doing this in the wrong case now, because before the situation was when I was near the middle, but I actually don't want it near the middle. I only want it when I'm far enough away from the center to be under the... okay. So it's like greater than... This is the same thing as well, isn't it? Wait, no. Yeah, this thing and that thing, yes. Yes. Player X within cell. So that's just the sign of that. And that goes there. So what I actually want is this greater than... once again, 0.5 is half of the cell. So I want this to be, I'm 6 pixels. So if I'm like 1 pixel over from the center, so basically 1 over 8. Yeah, loads of magic numbers. If we're further away from that, and player X within cell less than or equal to, let's say, 2/8. Let's see what happens in that situation. Oh, I felt like it threw me to the wrong side. It's so hard to like position myself to test this. It's definitely positioning me on the wrong side. Oh yeah, it will do. Will it? So the sign that that is the right is the direction to go. Oh, that's right. Hold on. That's definitely throwing me to the wrong side though. Also have to be really close. So let's say that instead. So that throws me to that side. Does this throw me to the other side or that side? It doesn't throw me at all. Oh, yeah, of course. Math apps. I'm going to do it twice, but and just hope it optimizes this. Okay. It's so hard to test. Okay, so that throws me to the wrong side, and this throws me nowhere. It doesn't work. Oh, it's so fiddly to test. I could just make it even wider. Okay, that goes there. On this side. No, it does do it. They're both throwing me to the same side. Okay, why is that? This horizontal direction, player X within cell. This is that minus 0.5. Oh, ooh, okay, so that's the issue. I've got the apps there. There we go. That puts me on that side. Hello, Gothic Lord UK. Hello. It took a while for that emoji to show up, so for a while it was just a blank message. Did I just see I think I just saw something else pop up from you. I did. You just picked up Electhead in the Steam sale. Yeah, I've heard good things about Electhead. I should get on that game. It's on my list. It's been on my list for a long time. Still haven't played it. What was the context for that? Oh, I was talking about Game Maker's Toolkit's Magnet game. Yeah, I've heard very good things about Electhead. I should definitely get to it soon. What's my where should it be on my list? But pretty soon, I think. Do you want to know what's in my priority? Oh, I can tick some things off my priority list. I can tick Cocoon off my priority list, and I can tick Talos Principle 2. So left on my high priorities are Abdeck, the paper puzzle book, sequel to Locke, or sibling of Locke, An Architect's Adventure, and Stone Man's Adventure, 2 games with adventure in the title. Short is good. Always appreciate something that lets me get through more games. I'm pretty sure I'll be in Talos Principle for a while. Should I bump Electhead up the list? Maybe I should. Electhead can go into the priority list. There we go. It's in. Yeah, I also put down Bumburrows. Did I get to 100%? I did get to 100%. I did 100%, but 100% doesn't mean 100% in Bumburrows. It's basically just a random number, as far as I can tell. There might be more to it than that. Okay, so I got this working. How lenient do I want this to be? It's also got the thing where, if I jump early, it doesn't need both. Okay, so it doesn't have to be that lenient. Where's my... Here, okay. So I think I had this at 2/8 before. I'm actually surprised it sometimes doesn't jump. Why would that happen? Do I care enough? It's probably fine. I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm clearly only overlapping that with 1 pixel, right? I'm surprised that isn't working. Maybe it's just slightly into the 2nd pixel. Should we just accept that as it? It seems more lenient on that side than it does on the other side, doesn't it? Am I being... Okay, so let's get it so let's carefully align. Okay, so that was 1 pixel in. What about 2 pixels in? That's 2 pixels in. That slides over. 2 pixels in, doesn't slide over. 2 pixels in, doesn't slide over. What's the difference? Why is this asymmetric? Player X within cells, player position X. That minus 0.5. Sort of. I mean, what this is like player position around center of cell, player X position around the center. So like 0 would be at the center of the cell. And then this is saying if that distance from the center of the cell is greater than 1/8, less than 3/8, and all this stuff is true, do this. So why does this work in some cases and not others? Let's say console log here. Okay. It'll say here. Then on this side, it'll say here. On this side. Sorry, I'm like leaning into my screen to look at what's going on. That's like almost 3 pixels, and that aligns. That does not. That's not even saying here. Why? Tell me the numbers, game. Tell me the numbers, player X within cell. Okay. It's so hard to get where I want to get. Like there. Okay. 0.289. Sure. There. Well, it's not going to tell me the number, is it? Because it's not going to jump. Okay. Am I being silly? Take the... It's basically the position of the cell minus 0.5. That sounds fine to me. So that works. Minus, ooh. No. This should be symmetric. So there, why does that not go? That's 0.39. Why is that not exactly the same as like this? 0.33. Why is that a higher number on that side? The middle of the character is the middle. This is suggesting 0.4. Okay, so if I align the character like, this is impossible. Hello, how's it going? 0.4. Why is this asymmetric? I'm confused. You fixed every issue with your game. I wish I even had a game. I don't have a game yet. Well done though. Nice. What? Remind me again. Did you tell me what kind of game it is? What kind of game is it? I think you did say, didn't you? Why does this feel so asymmetric? The center of the character will be the center of this. I mean, I guess I could test that. Renderer. Where's my arc stuff? Here. Let's draw a tiny arc. Oh. Why is that not drawing over the top of the character as well? Oh, I did the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. Oops, that's the size of the arc. No, that's centered. Okay. So that doesn't help. Oh yeah, chess puzzle. Kind of. Why is this asymmetric? What's going on here? Shall I just... Okay, let's just print my player position within cell every turn. Okay. So if I stand like in the middle of the cell, like... It's so hard to do. We should change the velocity for testing. This is 0.2. This is 0.3. It feels asymmetric, doesn't it? This is minus 0.125. This is 0.125, so that's symmetric. Two nine. So confused. Do I care enough to fix it? It's like not really that noticeable. This also might need to change in a second as soon as I change the jump, the upwards collision. Let's leave it for now. To do this weirdly seems asymmetric. Okay. What's the other thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah, so vertical probe. Nah. This is going to be slightly weird because start Y, probe Y. 0.5 in the direction of the probe position. Player position. So I only check in the direction that I'm falling, that's fine. My probe position, I'm going to do this in a really hacky way, is that projected player position. And then I'm adding on 0.5 in the direction. Basically what I'm going to say is add on... This is horrible. If direction is positive, then add on 0.5. Otherwise, add on minus 0.375. Lovely. And then this needs to do something similar. This needs to be y minus direction plus 0.5 plus, yeah, that same thing. It's disgusting. Whatever. That's not right. I'm falling through the ground. Wow! And the game crashes. Cool. What did I do wrong? Probe Y. Dirt is greater than 0, that means it's down. Then add on that. Otherwise, add on minus 0.375. That seems fine. then here. So is that what's happening? Yeah, as soon as I hit the floor, I'm snapping to there. So this bit's wrong. It's finding out like which cell I should be in. It's getting to the middle of the cell. It's then saying if we're falling. Oh no, hold on. I don't want to do that at all, do I? If we're falling, then I want to be at the middle. Otherwise, I want to be like a pixel higher up. This feels wrong, but whatever. Does this allow me to like bang my head? No. Well, I did bang my head there. Huh. Oh, so what's happening there is when I do the second jump collision. Like maybe I just get rid of this. Ah. Now that my character's smaller than the cell. Hey, I can jump and bang my head. Maybe that's fine. How's this feel? Good? Ish? That's kind of awkward. Yeah, that's a bit awkward, so I could fix that, I guess. What about like other things, like falling down here? It's all good. Ugh. Uh-oh, I'm breaking all my physics. Is this the corner check that's failing? Probably. Something is. Or the leniency here. Horizontal collision. Oh dear, I'm really making a mess of this, aren't I? What's happening there? Wait. Oh, I can just like zip along the roof, along the ceiling. Oh, okay, why is that? That is just a problem then with this. Oh, what that is, okay, I know what it is, I think. Do I know what that is? Oh, I do. It's the horizontal collision needs to have an up probe Y of, okay, yeah. Okay, hopefully I won't zip along the ceiling now. Yes, okay, I don't zip along the ceiling. Good. Okay. Some leniency there would be nice, but I mean, more than nice. I think I'm just scrapping all my leniency codes, especially in that direction. Am I? Yeah, because I can just like slide in. It's fine. I can always bring it back. It's all in my commit history. It's gone. To do re-implement vertical leniency, jumping up through a one wide gap. That'll do for now. Oh, it does make it slightly harder to like jump up there. It's doable though, thanks to coyote time. We'll do that later. Okay, but anyway, I guess I've managed to make the physics fit the character size. So we'll commit that. Commit, change character collision to match sprite size. Should we make the, let's make the sprite change direction. So what should the sprite look like the other way round? So the feet should still be in the middle. No, like there. So the hair should be, if that is hair. I think it should only shift over like a little bit. How do I, is it P for pencil in this? No. Or maybe if I actually, it was N. Of course it is. Oh, gosh. Size 1. Can you draw me some pixels? Size 1. Hardness. I want a point like that. Oh, I need to, I hate this thing in GIMP. Layer to image size. Oh gosh. Okay, 1. Why not? Clipboard mask, that's not what I mean. That, oh yeah, but 1. Yay, okay. How far, so they've turned around, so maybe like all the way over. And then, although that eye is above there, what's the shortcut for the picker tool? O. O and N, okay. Makes no sense. So that's going to go there. That's going to go there. That's the hands turning around. So I think that's just going to go there. In which case, like this. Like this? No. Like that. We can see how it looks. Export. Okay. Oh, it's saved in the wrong place. Dist. Okay. Wait, it didn't move? Do I have to delete that? Rename. Dist. Okay. Now thinking of adding new interesting mechanics, portals, and enemy AI that the player needs to figure out. If it goes well, I might submit my second entry. Whoa. Enemy AI. Is it like AI that you can puzzle with? Or does it change the game fundamentally to less of a puzzly type thing? I guess your hair shouldn't go down to there, should it? What does this look like if O, the hair's here? Probably better, yeah, that's better. Okay. Export as dist sprite sheet. Okay. So I just want to keep track of like which direction was pressed last. That can be in the game states. Player facing. Should we just do something? Let's just do player facing left, false, and then we switch it between the two. Well, player facing right, true. And then the where's the input thing? Input. You don't actually know about the game state, do you? No. You put movements on the stack and then the physics thing reads those movements. Is it physics? Not really physics, is it? But whatever, I could do it here. Get horizontal movement. So if... I mean, I could reuse these. Maybe I should reuse those. Oh, that's also in that file. Okay. Oh yeah, so it is. Wait, no, that's a different file. So, okay. So... where was I? It was... No, it's this... No, wait, what am I thinking? Game state is the one I wanted. Okay. So you could import that. Did I copy it? I didn't. Physics. Copy that. Okay. Movement. Left. Right. And then just player facing. And then, depending on the actual movements, which I've got here, I can set game state, player facing. I mean, it doesn't even matter what the, I just always set that to that, sure. Then I render a different image based on which one. So for now, what I'll do is, let's just do it the easy way. Game state, player facing, equals movement, right. That's gonna be this. Else it's gonna be 8. Oh, movement's not defined in render. True, it's not. Hey, nothing shows up. Why? Oh, it's not 8.8, it's 8.0. There we go. Oh, I got them the wrong way around as well. Okay. Wait, is that right? No, that's the other one. If. Why is the same one showing up? Oh, it toggles back. Oh, because that's like the... Okay, okay. That's like what's actually being pressed. And this can return null, right? Yeah, okay. So no, I do want to say if this was right. Okay. Now do I have them the right way around? Yes, I do. It's not super noticeable, is it? Is there some weird, like, jitteriness to this? Am I, like, dropping frames? Classic browser stuff. It'll be a set of logical rules, so it will be possible to figure them out by testing different things. Okay, cool. Let's make my two sprites a little bit more dramatically different by moving the hair further over. Well, I guess the other eye would be visible. Okay. Ugh. No, that's weird. But then I'm losing that. How's that end up looking if I do this? So the other eye is invisible. No, it looks weird. I think I actually preferred it the way it was. Like that. So it is possible to make that jump, isn't it? Oh. Yeah. So it is a very subtle change. What if the feet moved? Almost makes them look hunched over a little bit. That's fine. Don't like it. Okay. Maybe using a better color for the hands would be good. Which one am I using? Not that one. Okay. Wait. What color is that? Oh, it's over here. Wait, what? What is going on? Why can I not draw on this at all? Color picker, it's that color. Is there like a, no, that color, yes. Pencil. Why are you not drawing? I hate this program so much. Opacity's 100, size is 1, pixel. What happened to suddenly make it go, no, we're not drawing anymore? On either of the images. See ya. Good luck with your second game. Wait, I can't, wait. Oh, there's like a specific area selected? Okay, that's basically impossible to see. Okay. I kind of think slower movement would be good as well. Am I getting frame drops? From what? Let's find out. Drop frame, drop frame. Why so? Partially presented frame. Isn't there a JavaScript render from? Well, I guess I shouldn't be creating an image. JavaScript use image as source for draw image. So it can be that, but then maybe I should just get. I think there's a way of saying like, oh, I'm gonna like draw from this a lot. Get image data. There's an image data. Where's my index? Index. Well, there's not going to be any image data at that point. Which means I'd have to move all this, which I can do, into here. Now there'll be image data. Sprite sheet, get image data. Is it not? Get image data. Oh, that's okay. So that's from a canvas, of course. Yep. I am specifying, yeah. Load JavaScript load image to off-screen canvas. To use the canvas if you have image format conversions. Okay, that loads the image. Sure, you've got a promise-based function to do it. And then what you're doing with that image, load image. Group image bitmap. And then you're drawing the image to that, and that, oh, jeez. I mean, I could just draw it to a canvas, then maybe it'll be faster and not have this issue I've got. Okay, what we do? Sprite sheets. It's just like weirdly slow. Let's just check that that's not the case if I go back to drawing this thing. Okay. No, I am still getting... Still getting drop frames. Why? What's happened? Wait, was that recording? Oh, it's network. Performance. Okay. That was actually totally fine. Does it depend on the resolution? That actually seemed fine as well. That was fine, I think. Yep. So wait, no, maybe it is to do with this. So for that, then record. Stop. Suddenly it's fine. That was probably when I was resizing the window. Okay. Maybe I'm just being silly. Stop. Seems fine, I guess. Okay, whatever. I think I'm also seeing my physics do some weird like snapping behavior, which is confusing me. I want the jump to feel a little bit, basically I want it to feel like Magic Cube. So the jump's going to be slower and the gravity's going to be slower. Jump velocity, let's say like 7. And then this is going to be like 30, I don't know. Okay, now I can't jump up. That's too little. I guess the only thing I'm seeing is the jitteriness of it being pixel lines. So when I'm folding it an arc, it looks there's like a jitteriness to it. So that's not terrible. Let's make the speed a tiny bit higher. Okay. I bet I can't make this jump anymore though. Ugh, definitely not. Let's go a bit higher then. Okay. Wait, still can't. guess you need quite a lot of this to counteract that. Oh, that's too much. Too much. Just want to see if I can make that. Nope. Let's make that jump. Not quite. Okay. That'll maybe do. Alrighty. There we go. I'm actually going to increase gravity a bit more. And go even higher with this, I guess. That feels better. I'm not sure I can make that jump now though, so... Probably can, but let's make it a tiny bit more lenient. I mean, if I added the leniency back in, this wouldn't be a problem. I guess the other fix here is to increase horizontal velocity. Yeah, I'll do. Okay. So everything feels a bit heavier, which is nice. Or like floatier, which feels like the opposite of heavier. Like kind of, more like I'm going through water or something, which is not what I'm aiming for, but I just want that feel. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay, what did I just do? What was the main thing I did? Sure, I changed the physics a bunch, but the main thing I did was make the sprite render. Different sprites. Render directional sprites. Actually sort of thinking, since like we're looking side on the hair there, maybe in this case, yeah, maybe this could be gone. Nah, I prefer it as it was. Okay. Now the next thing I should do, but I don't know if I will right now, is give them a little walk animation. I should really put a thing down there so I don't get annoyed every time I get stuck. There we go. There we go, I can go back out. Yay. It doesn't feel quite right still. Velocity's too high. Back down to 7. Less gravity. More gravity. Sorry, less gravity still. Do I really want that jump to be achievable? Not really. Maybe I should just not stop focusing on that jump in particular. Yeah, okay. Let's add on some gravity then, actually. Let's go back to like this. Can I at least jump up like this? Yes, easily. Easily. Maybe we just stick with that. Can I make this jump like this? Yes. Maybe that'll do. Okay. So it's not about being able to make that 3 wide jump. Cool. Got it. In which case, if I don't want to get stuck in there, I don't want that, aren't I? Cool. What do I want to do for walking? Just like have the feet move. Do I want like a bob up and down? Not sure. I'm gonna do it now. I'm a bit tired. I might stop. Might make this a short stream. What should rocks look like? So the box is going to be rocks. I could also do the background at some point. So I can only use those colors up there. Oof. I mean, I guess they should look a little bit like the walls, because the wall is also rocky, in theory. Yeah, I do want those two things to look similar for a reason. So let's just take this color and start outlining a boulder of some sort. It's very symmetrical right now, so maybe it might actually look better symmetrical, and actually add the asymmetry in the the shading. How do I want to do my lighting? Do I want lighting? What colour is that? That one. What colour is this? That one. Okay. Let's look kind of jaggedy. So you want occasional highlights. Also kind of a rounded feeling to it. Am I missing a colour here? I'm not using that colour yet, am I? Wait, that's that colour? And that colour is that colour. Okay, I am using that colour already. I mean, that looks like a boulder. It's not terrible. Wait, why did that select all that? I don't understand this program. It's so bad. How is it so much worse than other things? I guess because it gets no funding or whatever. But it's so bad. That's a pretty good sprite, I think. Basically just randomly click some colours all over the place. I might want to give it more of an edge. Oh, I've put that in the same layer. Or an edge over the competition. That's not what I meant. Okay. Exports. So then I'm changing the renderer to render. Oh dear. If. So I have box and I have walls. If this, then do what you're doing. I'll change this later so it's like not just assuming there's only two types of thing, but oh no, sorry, I do still need that to make sure the walls come out the right colour. That. And then over here I want something like this basically. But with 16, 16. No, 16, 0, I keep doing that. And then X, Y. Hey look, I got a bunch of boulders. Why can I, wait, why am I not falling there? What was just happening? Oh, by having a character that's not the same width at the top and the bottom, that makes things a bit awkward. Also because there's no corners to the boulders, it highlights it even more. I see. Okay, they don't look terrible. I do think they would look cooler with an outline though, so I'm gonna see what that looks like. So we have some brighter colours we could use. How bright? Does the colour carry over? Oh, I was doing the wrong thing, I think. That. Oh, that's that colour. That's the background colour though, isn't it? Maybe. Too bright. That one. What, do I just want to outline the whole thing? Or do I want some kind of like... Maybe. That's weird. What would it have looked like if I had just done an outline around the outside? So like this colour? It's going to look terrible, especially where they touch. Well, that's the background colour. So let's not do that. But still, this is going to look rubbish. Yeah, it looks terrible. Actually, maybe that middle thing, maybe the middle idea was good. That was you, wasn't it? So if I take you, this is what I did basically. Why? I really hate using this program. Oh, that is that color. Whoops. I'll do for now, I guess. It's maybe too much detail. I mean, they look less like boulders now. But at least they're pretty noticeable. Also, I don't have the walls in or the background. There's like so much more to do for the art, so who knows what it'll look like altogether. I mean, I guess I can get an approximation by doing this. Where is it? Yes, I wanted it not visible. Exactly what... It's there, of course it is. What? Where is it? There. Come down here. We'll just keep working on it over time. I think I'm going to stop today though. It's just a short one today. Just have to get a little bit done each day. I definitely need to keep working on these sprites though. And yeah, the downwards collisions are not great. And maybe I should just like change the characters so they're like merge, please merge down, flatten, merge down. Why can't I draw? Am I selected? I can't even see that selection. There's apparently a selection there. Getting angry at this program. Well, this changes how the character looks entirely. Well, I don't mind it. Interesting. Longer hair. It looks pretty weird. But also, yeah, the rounded corners and the boulders and the collisions look weird. Maybe we should just not have rounded corners. I'll figure this out another day. Can't bother today. Alright, that is all. I'll see you all next time I do some of this, which may be tomorrow. We'll see. Alrighty, goodbye.